Kohler has long been recognized for its robust contributions to power generation technology. Originally focusing on manufacturing engines and generators, Kohler Power has played a pivotal role in providing reliable energy solutions worldwide. Its products have served various sectors including residential, industrial, and commercial markets, ensuring power stability and efficiency. Over the decades, Kohler's innovations have set benchmarks in the generator technology arena. Their commitment to quality and sustainability has fostered trust and loyalty among users. As global energy demands shifted, Kohler responded by adapting its offerings to meet more modern energy requirements, focusing on both performance and environmental impact. This section of the company, known for its resilience and adaptability, is now poised for a significant transformation. The sale to Platinum Energy marks a new chapter in Kohler's history, one that promises to leverage advancements in technology to reshape the landscape of power generation. The acquisition of Kohler's power division by Platinum Energy was finalized in the second quarter of 2024. This strategic move is seen as a leap forward for Kohler, opening doors to enhanced resources and technological synergies. Platinum Energy, a leader in innovative energy solutions, is expected to inject new life into the traditional power systems of Kohler. With this acquisition, Platinum Energy brings its expertise in renewable energy and state-of-the-art technology systems. The integration of these new technologies is anticipated to revitalize Kohler's product lineup, introducing more energy-efficient and environmentally friendly solutions. This transition not only aligns with global energy trends, but also strengthens Kohler's market position. The merger is also set to expand the reach of Kohler products. By harnessing Platinum Energy's extensive distribution network, Kohler's generators are expected to penetrate markets previously untapped. This expansion is crucial for meeting the increasing energy demands and for promoting sustainable energy solutions globally. Post-acquisition, the focus has shifted towards integrating cutting-edge technologies into Kohler's generator designs. One of the most notable introductions is the application of AI-driven predictive maintenance. This technology enhances the operational lifespan of generators by predicting and preempting potential failures before they occur. Another significant advancement is the development of hybrid generators. These generators combine traditional fuel sources with renewable energy, such as solar power, to boost efficiency and reduce carbon emissions. The integration of such technologies not only reflects Kohler's commitment to innovation, but also its responsibility towards environmental sustainability. Furthermore, Platinum Energy is pushing the boundaries with the introduction of fully renewable energy-powered generators. These new models are designed to operate solely on solar, wind, or hydroelectric power, eliminating the reliance on fossil fuels. This shift is a game changer in the industry, setting a new standard for clean energy and power generation. The technological upgrades in Kohler's generator systems offer substantial benefits to both technicians and consumers. For technicians, the introduction of smart diagnostic tools means troubleshooting is more efficient and less time-consuming. These tools provide real-time data and analytics, enabling technicians to perform precise and swift maintenance. Consumers, on the other hand, enjoy several advantages from these upgrades. The most significant is the increase in energy efficiency, which translates to lower operational costs. Additionally, the reliability of these new generators ensures uninterrupted power supply, a crucial factor for both residential and commercial users. Moreover, the shift towards more sustainable and renewable energy sources aligns with the growing consumer demand for eco-friendly products. This not only enhances Kohler's brand image, but also offers consumers the satisfaction of using products that are less harmful to the environment. Looking ahead, the integration of Kohler's power solutions with Platinum Energy's innovative technologies is expected to set new industry standards. As the demand for sustainable and efficient energy solutions grows, Kohler's new product offerings are likely to drive significant market growth. This could redefine competitive dynamics within the power generation sector. Moreover, the focus on renewable energy and technological integration predicts a surge in research and development within the industry. Companies will likely invest more in developing technologies that further reduce environmental impact and enhance energy efficiency. This could lead to more groundbreaking innovations that could transform energy consumption patterns worldwide. Finally, the broader societal impact of these developments cannot be underestimated. By leading the shift towards more sustainable energy solutions, Kohler and Platinum Energy are contributing to a greener planet. This move is expected to inspire similar initiatives across industries, multiplying the environmental benefits globally. Kohler's transition under the ownership of Platinum Energy marks a significant milestone in the energy sector. This shift not only promises advanced technological integrations and enhanced efficiency, but also aligns with global sustainability goals. The benefits for both technicians and consumers are clear, as they gain from both improved product performance and environmental stewardship. As we look to the future, the impact of this transition on the industry and on global energy practices is expected to be profound. Innovations introduced by this new synergy between Kohler and Platinum Energy are likely to inspire further advancements, driving the power generation industry towards a more sustainable and efficient future. In essence, Kohler's new chapter with Platinum Energy is not just a business transformation, it is a beacon for the future of energy, pointing towards a more sustainable and technologically advanced horizon.